So here we go. Yeah, we are doing our harvesting here at the Love One farm. This is our corn. As you can see, it is already dry, it's ready. You can see this one. Yes, look at this one. So it's ready. We are doing harvesting of our last year. So this is our corn, this is our farm. So we are doing the harvesting right now. This is our corn, you can see. Yes. So now here it's our collecting center, still in the field at the farm. So we do the collections here, and then we put on our motorcycle, and then we put at the other collection center for sun drying. So this is a collection center in the farm. So we are doing the collection from here, then we take to where we will do the sun drying. So here we are. Show them. Yeah, that's the corn. That is the corn, you see. So this is our collection center where we will put here a tarpaulin for sun drying. So yes, this is Sekandi is trying to remove the corn. So from the collection center, we put on the motorcycle. So then we put on the